So although we've been going pretty crazy on the mods on the F30 and we'll only have more stuff to do, I want to make sure that I don't neglect it maintenance wise, because I kind of already sort of have. But I mean, it's really not that bad. I have been keeping up with this car for the most part. But yeah, anyways, with that said, guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Eamon. This is my 2017 BMW 330i. On this channel, we really focus mainly on mods. We do maintenance videos as well. I just want to catch up on some of the maintenance items for this car. There's a few things like spark plugs, oil change, and the cabin air filter, which I don't think I've ever changed on this car. So that's one of the items that I've been slacking on. Also spark plugs, I've kind of been slacking on because I'll be honest with you guys, I think I'm feeling like a misfire. Now for reference, this car is tuned to stage 1. So if you guys already know, tuned cars require a little more attention in terms of spark plugs. And I don't think I've ever changed the spark plugs on this car since buying it. Now I bought this car with 22,000 miles on it. I think it has about like 35,000 at this point, and I've never changed the spark plugs. So it's definitely time for me to change those. Also for more reference, I don't actually really know what a misfire feels like. I've never felt it on any of my cars. So what I'm feeling is probably a misfire, it's probably not, but regardless though, we're still gonna change the spark plugs. In terms of oil change, I think I'm only about like 4,500 miles in since the last oil change, which is a pretty good spot, I think, between 4,000 and 5,000. BMW recommends every 9,000 miles on these cars. I personally would not wait that long. I think 4,000 to 5,000 is a good point. And like I said, guys, the cabin air filter, I never changed. Now for the engine air filter, you guys probably already know I have a BMS intake on this car. Those filters do need to be cleaned, they don't need to be replaced. There's a kit that BMS sells for it. I do need to get my hands on it. Unfortunately, I don't have it. I should probably do that today as well, but unfortunately I just don't have the stuff with me, so I can't do that. But I'll probably save that for another video. Yeah, otherwise guys, we're just gonna be working on this car. Again, not a DIY. I already made a DIY on the oil change, the cabin air filter, and the spark plugs. There's a whole bunch of videos out there about it, but for now I just kind of want to make this video, film everything. If you guys enjoy watching this type of stuff, this will be for you. I know I personally do, so I'm going to try to not talk too much after this point and just kind of like film everything and try to knock this out, because I do have dinner with my wife tonight, and if I'm late for that, she's gonna kill me. So we're gonna try not to do that. So yeah, with that said, I'm gonna shut up now and we're just gonna get to working on the car, knock all this stuff out. So yeah, enjoy guys. Alright guys, everything is now officially done. Oil change is done, spark plugs are done, cabin air filter is done. Time for the first, well actually I'm lying, it's not the first startup. I already started up and I checked the oil levels, but time for the first startup, at least after the spark plugs. So let's do this. Ooh. It's amazing how much better idle feels right now. I'm really hoping that issue that I felt that I thought was a misfire was in fact just a misfire, and now it's been resolved with these new spark plugs. But yeah, TBD, we'll figure that out. I still haven't actually drove the car yet, and I'll see how it feels. But yeah, hopefully everything is good now. I think the car is pretty much solid. The brakes have already been done like maybe 10,000 miles ago. I need to clean the air filter. And I think in terms of maintenance, that's pretty much it. But yeah, anyways guys, it's getting late. I've been working on the car for, I don't know, maybe like 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. It took me a little longer because obviously I was trying to film everything. And then while I was filming everything, you guys probably noticed the camera angles got worse and worse as it went on. That was because my tripod broke, which was really unfortunate. Anyways, today was a bit of a struggle, not because the car gave me no issues. It's really just filming, it's cold. It's getting dark. So yeah, with that said, guys, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna wash up, get ready for dinner with my wife. But yeah, anyways, guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.